My instructions say it was running yesterday. Homeowner has pressed reset a couple of times, they say. I'm not even going to try. Power is off. Looking down. There is a large kink in the oil line that needs to be fixed. See if I can't make a mess. Going to shut off the tank. Give the Firematic a couple of taps to make sure it's seated. You can see it or not. Right in front of my finger, there's a hole in this copper. So the last tech that was here is one of our newer guys. He saw that kink and just wrote it up that we need to replace the line. He could have just done what I did, and it wouldn't have had a hole in the line, losing the prime. And we still could have gotten back here and replaced the oil line. I want to let the office know that they should send him back to replace the oil line. Can't just write something up, walk away, and then not have to deal with it. When you see something, you should fix it.